Hi, I'm Mark with Outdoorsmans, and today we're going to be talking about installing the Outdoorsmans Swarovski stud and universal binocular studs. On most pairs of binoculars, the front bridge will have a removable cap that either pops off or twists off that has a 1/4-20 threaded hole underneath it. In this case, it can either take our Swarovski stud or our universal binocular stud. The only difference between the two binocular studs is going to be the size of the flange on the actual stud. This incorporates more surface area onto the binocular to provide a more stable purchase from the stud to the binocular. All Swarovski SLCs will take the Swarovski stud. Also, some Vortex binoculars will also take that larger stud. To install the binocular stud, first remove the front cap off of your binoculars. Like I said, it either twists off or pops off in most cases. Then you'll take a 5/32 Allen wrench and slide it into the cut top of the stud and place it on your binoculars and thread it on. Some binoculars, the armor coating will actually give a little bit, and it will kind of bind and attach to the stud. Most commonly, it's the Zeiss Conquest 10x42s and 1556s. That's okay. It will push past that rubber piece. You just got to twist just a little bit harder. I promise it's not going to break anything. Once you have the stud screwed to the body of the binocular, you're going to want to take a 1/16 Allen screw and take that set screw and get it real nice and snug on there. A little past hand tight, because that is your last line of defense for the stud actually coming off of the binoculars. You don't want that to unscrew. That can be a bad situation. If you tighten that set screw down properly, it will not come off. As always, thank you for watching. And if you have any more questions on the binocular studs or adapters or any other Outdoorsmans products, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-291-8065 or online at outdoorsmans.com. Hi everybody, I'm Mark with Outdoorsmans, and today we're going to be talking about the Outdoorsmans binocular adapter and stud. To install the stud on any pair of binoculars, there he goes, he's gone. He knows he can jump off of it now, so he's just going to jump off of it. Hey, Doc, go lick up all your poops.